Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the proper option, the security. Now let's scroll down to find advanced options and enter encryption and credentials. And as you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and simply confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.